As far as the most exciting thing, and this is a Roman pavement, we dug what turned out to be the biggest Roman villa in southern England that had been discovered since the war. And it's on day 2. The Roman mosaic specialist we had with us said to me, I reckon about 2 inches further down there, we're going to hit a Roman mosaic floor. And I said, oh, wow, that's pretty exciting. Can I watch? And he passed me the trowel and said, you excavate it. And I said, I can't, I'm not an archaeologist. I know the Radio Times has said I'm the most famous archaeologist in Britain, which so pisses some people off. But I'm not, I have no training in archaeology. I don't want to damage anything. He said, look, it's a floor. It's a floor. The whole thing about a floor is that you make it so people can walk on it, don't you? If you have a floor that you can damage easily, it's a lousy floor. This floor has been there for, probably 1,700 years. He said, look, just to make you relax, I'll be at your shoulder. Here's the trowel. You excavate it. And I just had this sheer joy of just slowly peeling away, sweep after sweep, this mosaic. And first of all, there was just like little white mosaics. I thought, I wonder if there's another colour there. And then there's a bit of black. And I know you shouldn't chase anything in archaeology, but I just went sideways and had a look at the pattern. And then we came in again, and there's a bit of red. And is there going to be a thing? Is there going to be a thing? So, and there's an arcanthus. I didn't know it was an arcanthus until I was told. It's like a little pot of flowers and stuff. And gradually, and with the help of other people, we peeled away this whole thing. And I was the first person to see that floor for 1,700 years, which it was an extraordinary, moving moment to be so close to that period of history in that spot. The only downer was that in the middle of it, there were 3 slightly arcing parallel gouges in the mosaic. And that was from deep ploughing, and they'd only been deep ploughing that field for the last 5 years.